That you are a winner. Yes, you are. You are created in the image of God, and you have a lot of potential in God's plan. And indeed, because you are in His plan, God will provide. You can count on God's protection, God's power, and God's promises. I want to tell you that you have a bright future. And because you have a bright future, wake up, work, and you will win. You Have a Bright Future is a great book that I have written. A book that will change you, transform you, and teach you how you can be able to deal with different issues in life. You have a bright future. You should not give up. You need to believe and begin to act and be brave. Believe, begin to act and be brave. No matter what you see, no matter what you hear, know that you have a bright future. Most of the time we have been hearing the wrong voices, the wrong messages, and we believe the wrong messages instead of believing the one who created us, who called us, is God. And God is saying, I know the plan that I have for you. That the reason why you need to wake up with joy, wake up with hope, and work with faith, knowing that I will make it no matter what the situation, no matter your past, your present situation. Know that you have a bright future. You have a bright future. You should not be discouraged. Don't be discouraged because of what you see and hear. Don't be depressed. Don't doubt that no, those who have made it in life, they are not different from you. You can make it and you will make it. That's one thing. You need to believe. One thing that you need to change is your attitude, your association and action. Change your attitude, because what you think is what you become. What you think, the way you think is how you feel and how you function in life. So you need to be able to change your attitude. When you change your attitude, I can tell you, you go far, because you have the power of God, you have the presence of God, you have the promise of God, and you have potential. You have the passion. And because you have passion and the potential, you have a plan. I can tell you, you have a bright future. Wake up. Many people have been discouraged. Don't give up. No matter how many times you have tried, wake up again, because you have a bright future. And you have a bright future. When you give up, you lose your miracle. And most of the people give up when they are about to make it. So don't give up. Wake up. I don't know what you started. Continue making it. In this book, you'll be able to learn the 8 reasons why you should not give up. And the other thing, you learn from this book how to deal with discouragement. And the thing that you need to be able to stand. And I'm telling you, you need to be able to stand in order to succeed. For you to go far, know that you have a bright future. Look ahead. God gave us eyes and put them in front. He was able to put one eye behind, but He wants us to look ahead, not to look behind. Most of the time we have been looking backward. We need to learn to look ahead of us. Look ahead of you if you want to make it. And speak success. And believe it's possible. You need to speak success and make sure you surround yourself with wonderful people who help you to succeed. And also be positive. See it before you start it. See that indeed I'm able to make it. So you have a bright future. Do not give up. Get this book, a book that will change you, a book that will help you to handle a different situation, a book that will teach you principles of success. Book that will help you to be a blessing to many people. You have a lot to inspire people. And what you need to do is to wake up and start believing, and you'll make it. You have a bright future. Do not give up.